Next expected question regarding the topic matrix, which is based on a subtraction. Okay, इससे पहले मैंने अपलोड किया था एडिशन से रिलेटेड, अब नाउ सब्सट्रैक्शन पे करें क्वेश्चन. इफ a इक्वल टू 4 2 0 minus 2 and b is equal to 6 2 0 2. Now find the value of a minus b. Yani there is a question based on subtraction. So first row first column from a and first row first column from b. So this is 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. 0 minus 0 0. Minus 2 minus 2, this is equal to minus 4. So this is the important question or expected question regarding the topic matrix, which is based on a subtraction. Okay. Next question, that is based on equality of two matrix. Question based on equality of two matrix, which is a very important or expected question for the first semester exam 2021-22. That is topic matrix. Okay, so question, if a equals to x 0 minus 2y and b equals to minus 2 0 minus 2 minus 3. There are two matrices A and B, and you have to find the value for x and y. So on this question based on equality of two matrices. Okay, so A11. Now solution by equating means that is from A11, that is equals to A11 of matrix B. So x is equal to direct minus 2 and y equals to minus 3. This is the right answer, that is based on equality of two matrix. Okay, which is a very important question or most expected question for first semester exams 2021-22. Okay. Next expected question or important question regarding the topic matrix is find the value of x and y a and b if x y a plus b a minus b 2x minus y 2x minus 3y equals to 5 minus 1 3 minus 5. This question is based on equality of two matrices. There is a matrix A, there is a matrix B, and according to equality we know that A11 that is equal to A11. So by definition of equality of two matrices we can write like this: x plus y equals to 5. This is A11 and this is A11. Second one is 2x minus 3y, that is equal to minus 5. So now after solving this two equation x and y, the value of x and y will come. Similarly for a plus b equals to minus 1 and a minus b equals to 3. Now after adding these two, this will equal to 2a equals to 2. So value of a, that is 2 upon 2 equals to 1. Now putting the value of a in place of this equation, a plus b equals to minus 1. In place of a write 1. So this will equal to minus 1. b equals to minus 1 minus 1. This will equal to minus 2. Similarly for this equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now equation 1, that is multiplied by 3. Then it will become 3x plus 3y equals to 15. Now adding equation number 2 with. So 2x minus 3y equals to minus 5. Now adding, this will cancel. 5x is equal to 10. So value of x, that is equal to 2. Now putting the value of 2 in place of x plus y equals to 5. Then x plus y equals to 5 In place of x there is 2, so y is equal to 5 minus 2. This will equal to 3. So this question is very important question or most expected question for the first semester exam, and topic is matrix, and which is based on equality of two matrices. Okay. Next important question, that is based on multiplication. Okay. Already addition and subtraction is that is the part first or second, and this is the third one. That is, if a is equal to 3 1 minus 1 2, then find the value of a square. That is question based on multiplication of same matrix, that is a multiplied by a. Now you can write 3 1 minus 1 2 and 3 1 minus 1 2. Now for first one, see the part for a row 1. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. Now a into a means row 1 column 1, 3 into 3 plus 1 into minus 1. This is row 1 column 1. Now row 1 column 2, 3 into 1 plus 1 into 2. This is row 1 column 2, R1C2. Next one, row 2 column 1, minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 1. This is row 2 column 1. Second one, row 2 column 2, minus 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. This is row 2 column 2. So multiplication of row and column. In case of first matrix, you go through the row, and for second one, go through the column. So row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 2 column 1, and row 2 column 2. Now 3 3s are 9 minus 1. This will equal to 8. Second, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5. Now 2 2s are 4 minus 1. This is equal to 3. So value of a square, that is a into a, is equal to 8 5 minus 5 3. This is row 1 and this is column 1, and order of this matrix is 2 into 2. Okay.